Hi, today I am going to make Coleus, a very pretty plant with such colorful leaves. Materials I'm using are crepe paper in off-white or cream color, thin wire, green floral tape. This is a thick pink pen, color pen, and these are paints in pink, green and yellow. All the measurements are in centimeter. These are the three pieces that you have to cut in rectangles. So these are 5.5 by 4, cut 2 pieces. This is 7.5 by 5, cut 2 pieces. The largest is 9.5 by 6, cut 2 pieces again. And of the smallest leaf, you need to just cut out the shape. So this is 3 by 1.75, cut 2 pieces again. And these are the templates. So the second one is 5.25 by 3.5. Next is 7 by 4.5. And the largest is 9 by 5.5. And this is how they look, all the pieces. Like so. For the smallest leaf, first cut a piece of thin wire. This is really small. So this is about 3 centimeters long. Take a little bit of the green floral tape. And cover it like this. Now take the leaf. So first take the green color and just color it. So this will have more of green. Give a wide border. So I'll just leave it to dry first. And the area that you are holding, just color that also. Like this. After it has dried just a little bit, not too much, take the pink color and just color it in the center. So even if it spreads, it's okay. Like so. Again, leave it to dry. So after it has dried, it will look a bit like this. Now just turn it over. Apply some glue in the center. And stick this wire. On it. Like this. For the biggest leaf, first cut a piece of thin wire. So this would be around 15 centimeters long. So I've already covered it with the green tape. Now take the piece, the square, the rectangle, and just cut it diagonally. Like this. Now I want the veins to be going like this, so away from the cut area. So hold it like this and then just apply glue on the edge. And take this one, so this will also go like this, the veins of the paper. and just stick it. Like this. So I'll just let it dry. So now just take the template of the bigger leaf and place it like this. And then I'll just trace it out. Like this. So now I'll just cut it. Cutting each of these scallops. Like this. So after cutting it, this is what it looks like. So now just take the yellow paint first and just color maybe the lower side. So it won't show too much. A little on the top. And on the sides. Like so. Then take the green color and then just color starting from the side and leaving the same kind of shape of the leaf in the center also. So just and put some strokes on the yellow area too. Leaving a little like so. Like this. So again, I'll let this dry first. After this is dried to quite an extent, now just take the pink color so I'll start from the top, sort of draw a line and let the color spread a bit, leaving a little of the base color. And you have few of these veins showing like this. Like this. And just leave it dry. So after it has dried, almost dried, now take the pink colored pen and at the point of each scallop just sort of put a dot. And similarly on this side. Like so. This is how the leaf would look. Now just turn it over and apply glue at the back. And stick this wire on it. And let it dry completely. Now to assemble it, cut a piece of thin wire again, and this is again 15 centimeters long. Take a piece of the green floral tape. Stretch it. Take the wire and we'll start with the smallest leaves. So they would have almost next to nothing of the stem. So put both of them together, facing each other. Leave about 1 centimeter. Attach this at a different position, at right angles to the smaller leaves, and put the same its partner in front of it. And take this, and again this will come at right angles, and leave a little more of the stem. So now I'll just open the leaves out. So they would be opposite to each other. Like so. And this is how the leaves would look.